Hey guys, your girl Nell Slays, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, guys, I'm just gonna take you all on the road with me. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Itchip to collect something and probably maybe buy some things. I'm not sure, but it's fine. And good morning, guys. If you guys are new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys are my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for showing me all the love you're showing me. I really do appreciate it. So just stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, so I am gonna go to my card express and it's shipped to collect the items. Yeah. Alright guys, but I'm going to Itchip with my friend, but in my Itchip, in my cart express with my friend, but in there so to park. The line there right to the door and me have my item for collect. And then I close 3:30, so might as well I just go for my item, alright? Alright guys, so I'm walking into Itchip. Right, there's a pack to clean. Oh well. Finally. Alright guys, so I am back home and I got my item that I wanted. It's the Goli. It's, as it says here, apple cider vinegar gummies, and it's supposed to help with weight loss. So let me just open it up and just check to see what's inside. Alright guys, so I just pulled the box and let's do the reveal. I'm excited! Bam! That's the reveal, guys. These are the things in there. Okay, so these come. But these are my gummy bears. Awesome sauce. I am so happy. So, it's a decent sized bottle. I got 3 of them, and each supposed to hold 60 pieces. So this says it's the Goli Nutrition World's First Apple Cider Vinegar Gummy Bears, and these are what it is: gluten-free, vegan-free, non-GMO, organic, and unfiltered. So those are what this package is. Yeah, let's see. Serving per container, 60. Vitamin B12 is in there. Well, I'm more damage myself. But yeah, vitamin B12 is in there. So it doesn't contain yeast, wheat, milk, egg, gluten, soy, gelatin, peanuts, shellfish, dairy, artificial sweetener, artificial colors, artificial flavors, agave, I guess, artificial preservatives. Okay. can't wait to start taking this. So with this thing here, let me see if there's nothing else. Alright, nothing else is in the box. So these three. So let's see what this says. Alright. So this is just saying that welcome to the Goli family. Not sure if you guys can really, because the writing is white and the paper at the front is light pink. So it's just the introducing the world's first apple cider vinegar gummy bear here at Goli. It is our mission to deliver all the age old traditional benefits of apple cider vinegar, packed in a great tasting gummy infused with vitamin D and vitamin B9 and B12. So I'm getting that B12 in me. Our gummy is made in California in an FDA registered, CGMP certified and an allergen free facility with the highest quality organic ingredients. So it says direction: take 2 to 4 gummies daily for your daily dose of apple cider vinegar and essential vitamins. With this, I'm actually gonna take 2 a day. So I'm gonna take one in the morning before I eat, and I'm gonna take one before I go to my bed the last night, because I'm doing the intermittent fasting thingy. So before I eat anything, like around 10 or so, I will take one, and then like after 8 I will take the other one, like after I eat and everything. Yup. This is Vitamin Angel's proud sponsor or proud supporter. With this purchase, you provided a child in need with a 6-month dose of vitamin. Every purchase you make provide a 1-for-1 vitamin grant through a partnership with Vitamins Angel. But this is the information, guys. Let me see if I can show y'all. That's the information there. This right here is their information. Yeah, as I said, take this, but I'm gonna take just 2. This is the benefit comparison here. So it's telling you what the Goli has and the traditional apple cider vinegar. So these are what it has. So these are the things that the regular one doesn't have. But yeah, guys, I really can't wait to start trying these things. I'm gonna actually try tomorrow. I am so excited because I really want to do the weight loss thingy. But yeah, I really want to take the weight loss thing serious, like very serious. So this is gonna help me as well. I would love to do the apple cider vinegar thing itself, but no, that somebody just make me feel sick. But yeah, definitely gonna do this. And I'm also gonna do like a, once I'm finished with 1 bottle, or probably today is the 12th. Yeah, 12 guys. So today is the 12th. So I'm gonna take it from the 13th to the 25th. So that's when I'm going to do the measurement and everything. Hopefully this give it a little more boost with what I'm eating and when I'm exercising and all of that. So yeah, let me try and pull it just to show you guys how it looks. Oh, so it's sealed. Ooh, it does have the apple cider vinegar smell in there. So let me show you how one looks. It's a decent size. Oh my god, like this gummy bear is big, but this is the size of the gummy bear. Yeah, I really want to eat it right now, but no, tomorrow. It has just a little pinch of this citrus or apple cider, you know, smell, but other than that, it's all right. But you guys will know once I'm finished with December 25th measurement. But yeah guys, so I'm just gonna let you guys know how everything goes and all of that. But thank you guys for watching. Thanks for sticking with me through this vlogmas. It's just day 12, so we have a few more days to go. So thank you guys again. It's your girl Nell Slays. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.